But thanks for checking out our Toyota RAV4 Cruiser all-wheel drive. This one is a one-owner vehicle with the front part sensors, projector headlights. You do get the alloy wheels as well. Full service history, locally owned, and as you can see, it does have the black leather trim in excellent condition. Sunroof, leather wrapped dash, chrome trimming throughout. Coming through in the back, you've got plenty of room for all occupants with ISOFIX seating around the front, and you've got your sunroof as well. Satellite navigation, roof racks on this one as well. Unmarked to the back, you got rear sensors, the Cruiser all-wheel drive badging as well, and it's got the automatic tailgate as well. So quick and easy, just up here to close. Got all the cargo blind, cargo net, JBL sound system, mat with unmarked carpet underneath. Push button, easy close. Quite unmarked to the body. Blind spot monitoring as well. Full electric driver's seat. Lane departure warning, seat memory. It really has it all. So we do have a range of finance and protection plans available. Feel free to contact us soon. We look forward to speaking to you soon.